Hey, morning. Morning, chat. Can you hear my voice? How's everything? Say hi if you hear my voice. Awesome. Yeah, it's been a while, alright? Friday today. It's Friday, finally. How are you guys doing? Whew. No, he forgot to. I guess he said he forgot to join it. That's funny though. Oh, I actually enjoy doing stream alone. Alright, we take a look on the chat. Huh. So we're still inside this daily bullish RPG. Mm-hmm. Sell side swap yesterday, and we still got this smooth buy side liquidity above, but we don't know when price gonna hit this liquidity. Maybe not today. We keep an eye on that. Okay, we got end dot here. Take a look on weekly. I don't have bias for now. I just wake up not I just woke up an hour ago. I don't have time to look at the chat right now. So we consolidate for a while. Midnight opening price here. Okay. So we now got a slightly small bullish SMT, but which is something I don't like because we still got sell side criteria above, no, below. So right now, if we get good setup, I may want to long to midnight opening price or this buy side equity after this sell side swoop or this one. We'll see. You believe in 2-day winning streak? Well, I hope so. But I'm not really in the mood to trade. I would like do it casually. Okay, take it easy today. I don't have to take any chase for this session. Though I know you guys want me to do that, but it's Friday. It's Friday. Take it easy, alright? Okay, take a look to the vote. Bias for London, 49% bullish, 26% bearish, and 26% neutral. So all of you are bullish. Half of you are bullish. That's great. Then if I take a long, then you guys won't say I'm stubborn. I'm just follow what you want, all right? What's the name of the indicator? It gives you key level, like Asian high, eco high, or all right. So for eco high, I use this one. The Matthew, Eagle Heights and Low Matthew. Well, it was showing up like that. This just a lie, but I manually added a line for that so I can see clearly what is this key level is. For N1 N dot, I use this one. For the session, it was like that, but I just manually marked it because I find that I don't want too many lipstick on the chart because that's already a lot. Okay, cell size flip. Let's see how yes we at right now. Good morning. It's a good day today. Weather is good too. What are you drinking? I'm drinking milk right now. I'm gonna stay sober for these few days because this weekend is my big brother's wedding, so I'm gonna stay awake for a few days at least. Just make sure I won't mess up. Two a.m. for you. Wow. I know, I know. Many of you are from the US, right? The States. I'm just waiting now because it's a typical London session, right? So price gonna be slow. But actually today's Asian session is quite good. I mean, like you can see it form a range. We love that. Better than an expansion. Morning from France. Okay, we got European here. You've been cooking in the lab, wanting to watch one of your stream. Not sure if I'm cooking because there's so many experience shaders inside. I feel so competitive. My PNL is in your hand. Oh no, don't do that. Come on. I feel so stressful if you say that. You know I don't have high win rate, right? Hmm. Hi, Thunder. I'm glad you didn't call me Canada today. Okay, keep going down. If it's if it goes too low, then it's I would say it's too bearish to get along. So you gotta see what the candle reacts after sweeping this sell side. If it keeps going down, then of course I'm not looking for a long. If it's the case. It's about to make us chillionaires this session. No way. I hope so. I so hope so. Then you gotta be heavy in size, you know. If you trading fund accounts, don't trade Michael. All right. Don't waste the leverage. If you trading personal capital, no problem, of course, because the margin rates affect a lot, right, for your personal capital. Yeah, of course. Why are you trading Michaels in Puffer? Well, yesterday we made a lot, right? We made a lot in both London and New York. I mean, King Stream and what before Trader King Stream, he alerted something, right? And after the price reverse, I take that short. And then when he started to stream, I take the long. Whoa. So you know why I don't really want to trade today? Because I made a lot yesterday in both London and New York session. Keep going down right now. Hmm. But when we start to stream, we're in here, right? There's no chance for us to short. I mean, it's literally this can in the range, right? There's no way to short here. I said I saw you type fuck. Why Streamlabs ban you? It's the mo, okay? It's the bot. I didn't do anything. It's the bot. Your April win rate was 75%. It's not like a common win rate for me. I gotta say that because you can just scroll back for the post on my Twitter. My typical win rate is like 40 to 45%. I always say that. But of course, if I got a higher win rate, I definitely gonna make more. But I still make a lot with 40% win rate. Because I manage my risk. I got tight stop loss, right? Tight stop loss gonna reduce my win rate, but also protect my capital. That's what I like. You missed the shot from top yesterday by a tick. Did you enter with limit order? Because I normally I enter with market order, but because I'm not trading with large size, it's like 2 to 3 minutes normally. Do you use stat map levels? Not really, honestly. But I use it as reference. Because on losing days, we are all alcoholics. Come on, I'm trying to sober for few days, just few days. Because I'm not good at indicators. I think you guys already know that, right? Since the last stream. That's why I don't use it. But if I want to change the daily range, I will use it. Like for example, if I am my target is like 100 points, then of course I'll use it. What's more important, high RR or high win rate? Well, it depends on you, because some people can accept losses, right? If you're those can accept losses, then win rate is gonna be more important to you. And well, I would say for the marketers, for cost seller, a high win rate strategy is more attractive to all those retail traders, right? Because who doesn't want to win? Everyone's want to win, right? But in my case, I find high R is more important for me. High win rate if you're emotional baby. But I'm an emotional baby too. Have you ever watched Inside Out? I'm just exactly like one of the character in Inside Out. You are our indicator. What's the plan today? Maybe you can make a draw on the screen each day so that it's clear for every new trader that joins the stream. We don't have a plan for that, I would say. It's fucking Friday. I'm not planning to do any fucking thing here right now. But if we get a setup real long to around midline opening price, and the higher time frame analysis, we do it. We typically do it when the stream start. So if you join in the middle of the stream, then of course you're gonna miss it. You're currently inside a daily FPG. Okay, yes, swap the sell side tune right now. Wow, it's so bullish right now. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to try to catch a reversal. So this is a 1 hour FPG rear right now. Let me take a look. It's a lot bullish. It's a lot bearish than I thought it will be. Probably, I will skip the long idea right now. because turtle soup model is actually a reversal, trading the counter chain, right? So you gotta make sure you're not hurting yourself with 1,000 cuts. Have you ever tried footprint or book map? Nope, nope. I know what book map is, but I think it's not necessary. VAM pump up and down again. Right now, them a little more. You can have your lawns. I don't know for now. It's too bearish right now, honestly. Don't we get a good liquidity pool? Hmm. Well, I would say it's not as clear as yesterday because yesterday's is a very clear LL down waiting for us, right? And today is like not so sure. Not so sure about that. Hmm. What character will be in Inside Out? Make a guess. Hmm. Oh ho! Just received the payout from Apex. That's the best SMS I got today. W is not even W. I wish I got a million payout like those Apex Jaders, right? I hope I can do that one day. Now it's just not that much, right? But it's okay. Still Good Friday. Right now. Hmm. Yes, also trade inside a 1 hour FVG right now. Is that 1 hour FVG? Yeah, yes. Hmm. We got a 1 hour volume imbalance here. Gotta keep an eye on that because even if price bounce back, it may touch this 1 hour volume imbalance and go down again. So gotta keep an eye on that. I would get the risky. What Apex account size you change? 50K. All of them are 50K account. Because 50K account got the best drawdown to target ratio. It looks good right here, right? It looks good. We need more confirmation right now. No, not closed yet. Didn't close above the CB, so keep an eye on that. Oh, still too bearish. No. I mean, I can be wrong, right? Or maybe in the end of the day, I just shouldn't have any long idea. It can be the case. This one, we need this one. We're in right now. I'll see if I should you know, here. You see that? I think I saw it right. It's a 15-second chart liquidity pool here. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss right now. Move a little bit. Because we got so many CB here, that's why I don't want to aim for the ultimate high, because yeah, that's the reason. It's all of these obstacles. And this is the pool. This is the 15-second chart liquidity pool I'm talking about. Oh. Okay, I'll see how it goes. So it's like around 10 pound stop loss right now, because I adjusted a little bit. We'll see how it reacts. Do I sound emotional today for the trade? Because usually I am. Why did you enter before the breaker, not above? I don't use breaker. I fucking hate breaker. I don't even look at it. I won't even find where is the breaker or anything. And my model don't need the breaker, right? What the? I want to say the 15-second IFVG was the entry point for me today. I entered because of that. Did you enter on IFVG? Yes, yes. I saw we got a 1 minute IFVG, so I look into a lower time frame, 15 seconds chart for 15 seconds IFVG. Okay, now price we chase a little bit. We'll see. I may push it to put stop loss to break even anytime soon. Because we are now inside another 1 minute CB. So it's reasonable for price to retrace. We'll see. So if price hit my stop loss, it's around 7.5. My stop loss is 7.5. So for two contracts, it's around $300 for this trade if it's a loss. So now we traded in a bullish order block, 1 minute bullish order block, and 1 minute volume imbalance here. All right. Okay, I will push it to break even right now. My stop loss. Come on, just like it's 7 points. We still got 7 points to go. Would love to show the execution screen when you do execute. Sometimes miss your energy. But come on, I'm not signal service. I'm not signal service. But I think I did talk about that all the time, right? That I'm looking for a long position. Okay, price retrace right now. These are all bearish PD array. So we gotta see. Well, even if price retrace, we are break even right now, so we're safe, totally safe, risk free. So we're currently trading into some 15 seconds BC, so we still got chance. Hmm. The reason that I just put the stop loss to break even instead of channeling it like into here, because I find it hard to measure the what exactly is price gonna retrace. You know, how many points is the price gonna retrace is hard to manage since we are scalping. So I just simply put it above the break even point to cover the commission and fees. And I can, give it more room, give more buffer for price to move. Hmm. Okay. Not looking good because it's a bit slow. It's a bit slower than I thought. Who's in this trade? Well, I would say actually you can leave a warner, maybe if you want, to the 1 hour volume imbalance, like here. I think it's still uh worth to give it a try. But for me, I think 2 minutes. This port is already enough for 2 minutes. But if today I'm sharing with two Michaels, of course I'm gonna leave a warner. Your entry, my entry is just stop loss. Oh, someone's already took TP. Okay, congrats. Well, of course, yeah. If you took TP here, if I took TP here, I got like $700. It's still okay. Not for me. I don't feel okay for $700 because $700 in Hong Kong can do anything. So I gotta make more. Are you from Hong Kong? Yes, yes, yes. Still waiting right now. I'm okay to give back all these like $700. Totally fine. But if today is 7,000, of course I'm gonna add like different with because it's $700. So 700 bucks is monthly salary in most of the world. Yeah, so I can understand why people will like take partial call coast position or use trailing stop loss, things like that. So I totally understand. But for me, it's like in here in my country, it's like nothing. I can't even do it with anything. Maybe for meal, for lunch, for dinner. Can't even pay for grocery stores. Greedy. Yeah, of course I'm greedy. Come on. If not, I won't be a trader, right? If I'm not greedy, then I will just be another employee working 9 to 6. You copy trading. I'm not copy trading right now. Not on the stream. Because there's so many things I gotta manage when I'm streaming, so I don't think it's a good idea to like copy tray. It's like a tips for. That's funny. Come on, come on, come on. Just 6 pounds to go. Come on. And Q. Come on. Let us have a good Friday. Let us have a happy Friday. I will talk about the trade analysis after this trade goes. No matter it's a TP or break even, alright, I was still gonna talk about that. I mean, at least it won't be a loss right now, so I'm okay with that. The worst case is break even right now, so totally fine. And I'm okay to leave some profits on the table. I don't have to catch the whole move. 700 won't even buy her a drink in Hong Kong. That's not the case, okay, guys. But it depends on how many bottles you drink. I would say. But drinking really, I do spend a lot of money on drinking, so I maybe it's not a good idea, right, guys? But for those who are sober, they just spend the money on smoke, isn't it? On cigarettes or on weed, any other thing, shisha. First day on stream, welcome. Come on, it's just a few pounds. What is the high of that? It's 1 pound. It's just 1 pound. Oh my god, seriously? Because we got like we formed some LR here right now, so it's not really looking good. We gotta get to our TP very soon. If not, price gonna retrace back and hit this liquidity. Do you live stream daily? No. But I'm trying to increase the frequency on streaming on YouTube. I hope so. Time management is hard, I gotta say. It's harder than manage the risk, manage the trade. Why tipsy chase? Because I'm getting tipsy all the time. 24/7. Pick your poison, basically. Yes, you're right. But to me, yeah, maybe alcohol is a poison to my physical health, but it's actually the only medicine to my mental health. So I won't say it's poison, it's actually my medicine. Why is this target? It's 15 seconds chart by security? Because I use 15 second chart a lot when I'm entering and when I'm looking for target. I stream on both YouTube and also Discord in the lab. You spend your time on Legos. Well, I bought Legos too, but I'm not living in a large house, so I don't have many places to store all those Legos, those collectible toys. Lego's not only for children, it's a collectible toys. Good night. Don't go, okay? After this trade finish. Which sessions do you change? London session and New York AM session mainly. Did you see the lack of flowers in Pacific Place? No. It's too far away from my house. Almost midnight here in Vancouver. I feel you. I feel you. When I was training New York session, it's like that. You TP already. Well, it's a good idea actually, because price slowing down right now. It's better to coast position or at least taking partial. I would say because price can be chased anytime soon. But to me, since it's a risk-free trade, so I'll just leave it because I won't lose anything right now, right? Sadly, it did retrace. Yeah, it maybe it's gonna be a break-even trade in this case. It is possible. It's so possible because I've tried this when I'm trading alone. Your wife is addicted to let go flowers. It's fun, isn't it? I love them. But usually I buy those cars. I got a lamp. I got a Lego Lambo. Is Asia session too slow? Yeah, it is. And well, ICT traders usually don't trade Asia sessions. Even when I first started trading, which I learned from the traders in Hong Kong at first, right, not from the US, those Hong Kong traders also said that we shouldn't trade the Asia session, or if we are trading the US index, right? So I won't trade Asia. Watching this make me realize I gotta work on my patience. Of course. But when we're like live streaming together, it's like it help keeping up the patience. Because I'm if I'm doing it on myself alone, well, it's gonna be different, of course, right? Foo, Faldeco Lambo. But I don't buy Lego anymore right now because I'm moving like every year, almost every year, and it's hard to manage all the Legos because they gonna collapse when I move. Oh my god, just so slow. Oh, okay, I'll take a look on ES. Okay, yes, still at the same place, so we still have another chance. And 15-second chance looks okay to me. Now it don't look okay anymore. Come on. Come on, thank you. I need a happy Friday. The reason that I don't close the position right now is because I'm risk free, and it's not really necessary for me to make this money, make this profit. I'm okay with that. So I would rather see if my trade ideas pay out or not than just like closing a trade for the profit. But because I was like that when I see price like turns into an opposite direction, I'll become anxious and close the position immediately. Because at that time I'm not really I don't have enough money to live at that time to survive. So every profit to me is so important. But now I'm like a lot better than that. So I would rather see if my trade idea is gonna pay out or what. If you have some financial burden, it's gonna affect your performance because every point is so important to you. I was like that. Please ask ICT to pump the market. NQ is like a toxic ex. Yeah, I agree with that. It's totally like that. Now we create some buy side equity and sell side equity swap. So I think this is still possible. I can still wait for a bit. NQ just behave. For those who already take the TP, actually they are doing a great job because they don't have to experience all this high resistance liquidity, right? It's good for your mental capital. How did you overcome this emotion? I don't I don't think I have such the emotion today. I think I'm pretty casual today because it's on my YouTube channel. So it's different when when I'm live streaming in Discord, right? So different. I was so nervous yesterday, and today I'm fine because I know you guys gonna accept me even when I take losses. So and this is a risk-free trade, so it's also one of the reasons why I'm okay with how price keep consolidating. This one is a tough hole. I mean, it's not much. I mean, even if I got TP, I think it's just $1,000. Not much, right? What are you targeting exactly, John? Like here and first time watch. Um, I was looking for long, since London session start, but I need a liquidity sweep first. So price go down and sweep some liquidity. Okay, it's $1,078 for this trade. Do you know what to do now, chat? Do you know what to do, chat? Yeah, we need W. We do need W. Come on, we gotta see W all over the chat. More, we need more. Yeah. Happy Friday. Who's also TP the Che? Who also get some profit today? Yeah, show me a W. That's awesome. Finally. Alright, alright. Happy trading. Not much, but still, a win is a win, right? Profit is a profit. Okay. Now it's gonna talk about Che. Okay, I was like, let me show the indicator first. When we first start, we were like here, right? London session. So we got midnight opening price up here. We got lots of liquidity right here. And price, NQ hit Asian low, then bounce back, and then keep on going down. Also on ES, and one liquidity sweep. At first, I was thinking price may sweep this sell side liquidity and then will go back, but no, it keep on going down with this sell side too. So I was a bit worried, honestly, because if it's too bearish, then I don't want to trade counter trend. So I wait for a setup. Also, I saw that yes, also got liquidity sweep here, and this one. This is a CB, 1 minute CB, and turns into 1 minute IFVG. But if you can see that I'm not entering after these candle codes, because when I saw that, I think we got a chance here, so I turned into a 15-second chart. It's like that. So we got a 15-second chart on a 15 seconds candle. This is a very nice IFVG. So after this, a candle goes above this IFVG, I enter. And and this one here is the liquidity I want because it's a 15-second chart liquidity pool. Reason I don't hold to the end because we got a 1 hour volume imbalance here. So I assume price may react with this PD array. And also we got bearish order block, 5-minute bearish order block here. So I think best idea is to TP here. So it's gonna be safer than holding to the top. That's it. What you were targeting there? Yeah, that's the 15 seconds liquidity pool. 1,000 worth of alcohol there. Lightboot did not like the W's. Sorry, I'm gonna remove the Nightbot. Alright, next time. Cancel my mouth. Great. That's awesome, right? We all make some money. I hope we all make some money today. And Apex is now not giving any special discount right now, so it's 50% off. So if you want to add more accounts, probably wait for the next promotions, the best idea. And also, Tradify is doing discount right now for advanced account, which is intraday challenge drawdown. Also, the accounts I use, I got 5 advanced accounts from Tradify. So if you don't mind the intraday challenge drawdown, you can get some from Tradify using the code Candy. But if you find it difficult, you can just go with the Gold account for end of day drawdown or straight to funder account, which is instant funding. And also take profit trader. Now we got 30% off and no activation fee promotion until end of May. Just a friendly reminder. Do you use indicator for FVG or manually add them? I manually add them. All these all these FVG, I draw them on the chart. Just use the rectangle. This one. Can you see that? Oh, here. This one, rectangle. You just easy, right? And I set it so I can. Sometimes it's a BC or OB or about VI, CB. It's all different color, different look. So I used some FVG indicator before, but I don't like that. That's why I draw them manually. And the chart I'm drawing is different to the chart you're looking in the screen. It's because I want to separate it. I'm streaming with the laptop screen, but I'm drawing in a 32-inch monitor. Maybe there will be a holiday special in this weekend. Okay, we'll see. If it's the case, I would love to see it too. If you don't mind me asking, how did you end up joining the lab team? That's a good question. I have no idea too. Because I joined the lab since January this year as a member, and I don't even talk in the community, right? You guys never saw me posting anything in the chat or what. I just watched the live stream. That's all. And then suddenly one day they talked to me, so I was quite surprised at that time too. So for those who still holding a wonder, congrats. But I'm content with enough because I'm on a live stream. I don't want to risk too much. And $1,000 is okay because the account I'm trading with was Tradify advanced account, and we got 35% consistency rule for that account. So I can't really make a lot for that. Today, if I'm trading like TPT, then I probably had a larger TP for that. She scans, that's why. What is the lab? Okay, I'm showing you here. I can promote it, right? So the lab is a trading community, or inside the lab you can saw some live trading, also the market analysts and other trading resources, educational content, and we got a crypto session too. But I am mainly using the futures division. So you can take a look on that and use the code candy for 10% off. It's gonna be a temporary promotion and won't be forever. So after a while, this 10% off discount code will be disappear. What instant fund trade? I've never heard about that platform. Which one good in terms of rules, Tradify or TPT? In TPT we don't have consistency rule. So you can make any amount you want, and we don't have payout cap. But when you pass the eval, at first it's 80% profit split. After you making $5,000, you can talk to the CS, the support, and change it to a live account, and then it will become 90% profit split, and also no payout cap, no consistency rule. But of course, it's slightly expensive than Tradify, and that's the reason because they got better rules, right? Did you have a main mentor? Of course, it's ICT. Come on. Well, if I have 48 hours a day, I'm gonna watch all his videos, but I don't. I just don't have time to do so. But I would love to watch all these videos and listen to all his Twitter space. Since you are already profitable, why were you in the lab as a customer? Because I want to learn more. I want to learn more. And I believe Trader King is a lot better trader than me, a more experienced trader. So I believe I can learn a lot from him. And it's no problem, right? And even before I'm portable, I actually pay a lot of money for mentorship, for courses, even for signal service or firm passing service. I try them all. So to me, paying for some premium service is just very normal to me, and I don't recommend anyone to buy those signal service or firm passing service because I tried them all. I know it's useless. It's totally useless. So don't do that. You're just wasting your money. How did you come up with your trading model? Well, first I watch ICT and then I watch a lot of people streaming and then keep on refining the model for myself. And today when I entered the trade, I was using 12-point stop loss because it's a ATM order. I set it. And then I adjust it to 10 points and then 8 points, right? So 12-point stop loss is totally fine if you have a great entry point, right? Okay, good line funded. So today, oh, it's just an hour. We just stream an hour. That's a good idea though. So I don't have to stream for 2 hours every day. So you see price keep on going, but I'm alright with that because there's two types of trader. One type is those who want a larger move, who want to trade the daily range. So, but sometimes price can hit their TP, but sometimes price can hit their break even. So you either make a lot or you make nothing. But to me, I'm like those scalpers. I want a smaller TP, but closing the position earlier. Because to me, leaving profit on the table, I feel nothing. I feel totally fine. But if price go back to hit my stop loss or break even, I feel sad. So it depends on what a person you're, which one is most acceptable for you. because I know some people don't like leaving profit on the table. If you are those guys, then it's not the way you should trade. You gotta know yourself first. You gotta find a trading model, find a trading method that suit your personality. You was in the labs last year. You gotta join. You gotta join again. Come pay with me, alright? I'm so lonely inside here because I don't know anyone. So, I think, see, it depends if you guys have any questions. If not, then we just gonna enjoy our happy Friday. Okay? I will be back next week. I'll see which day. What days and time do you stream in the lab? I usually stream at 2 a.m. Eastern time for London session. Which day I don't know yet. I'll let you know on Monday. And for those who are still not yet joined the lab, if you want to reach me, you can join the free Discord link in my profile and also in the info box. Alright. So guys, I hope you guys can make some profit also in New York session, and I will be there too. That's it for today. Alright. Thank you all for joining this stream. Thank you for trading with us. You know, we got a W today. I'm also I usually got some good trades on Friday. I don't know why, but I saw my trade records on TradeZilla. I typically trade the backs in Friday. I think because I'm like taking it easy, or I'm in a good mentality. Thank you guys. Thank you, chat. I'll see you next time. All right. Goodbye.